Ang nilalagay pala ka. May pa-order.
Oh, yeah!
Paborito.
Malakas, favorite team. Paru G. Paru G. I knew it. Paru G.
Dami yan mga cupcakes. Ilan yan?
Yeah. 36.
36.
Cupcakes. Wow. And tofu.
Yeah. 11.
There's a Friday. Happy 11th birthday. And son.
Isa na lang na.
And this is the 36. This is for you.
Yes. Ano?
Ay, mag-PM lang kayo. Okay?
PM lang.
Yeah, PM is the key.
Alright.
Okay, bye.